Bullish smooth love mixture, SLP, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.010754 and $0.020314 by 2030. Market investigators accept SLP could reach $0.008365 by 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.001912. Smooth love elixir, SLP, acquaintance when it accompanies play to acquire games, a sheer vastness captures everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, however it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. A sheer vastness was the previous summer's star convention topping at close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients, DAO. A sheer vastness is an NFT-supported play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses two tokens in its biological system: smooth love elixirs, SLPs, and a sheer boundlessness shards, axes. Essentially, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the interim, Axes is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository supports spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll carefully describe the job and utility of SLP in a sheer boundlessness environment. What's more, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's to come plans of Sky Mavis. What is a sheer limitlessness? A sheer vastness support the play to procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Moreover, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, procure from it or use it for interactivity. This isolates a sheer limitlessness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to passage was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axes expected to play the game was galactic. In the meantime, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axes, yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant and organization programs. About smooth love mixture. A sheer endlessness is in-game cash fundamentally. SLP is the in-game money at the focal point of a sheer limitlessness's biological system. Each time a player wins a duel, they are compensated in $SLP. It has no cap and is utilized to raise new axes. The game consumes SLP each time players breed axes. Players breed to create posterity with unique capacities that make them all the more impressive. They can likewise go for the gold that are alluring to different authorities. In a sheer limitlessness, the pay regularly comes as smooth love mixture, SLP. Players need to finish and enter journeys, field mode and experience mode to procure SLPs. The day-to-day journey rewards used to be 50 SLP, yet during the send-off of the 20th cutthroat season, Sky Mavis reported a significant financial change to procuring SLP. Basically, players will never again acquire SLP in day-to-day journeys and experience mode, yet they can procure more through aggressive PvP. SLP profit will currently be really divided, with extra rewards just accessible in the higher serious levels. Sky Mavis additionally decreased the day-to-day furthest reaches of SLP procured in PvE from 100 to 50. Before this change, players procured a sum of 75 SLP each day by playing experience mode, 50 SLP, and by clearing the everyday journeys, 25 SLP. Be that as it may, SLP compensations in PvP currently increment at a quicker rate as you climb the list of competitors. So Sky Mavis is in significant putting out fires mode and working twofold opportunity to recapture and remake trust in their convention. This ongoing quandary surely didn't assist the cost with actioning of SLP. Smooth love mixture, SLP, current cost smooth love elixir is right now worth $0.00239 United States dollars. SLP has moved 0.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $21,672,543. Smooth love elixir is at present position 275 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $98,700,709 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the graph above, We can decide cost designs for Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2023 Smooth Love Mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, SLP. The SLP cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.003585. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.003346 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.002868. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024, Smooth Love Elixir SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.005975. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the SLP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.00478 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.005258. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.008365 and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.007648 and a low of $0.00717 in 2025. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2026, on the off chance that Smooth Love Elixir effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.010754 with a base cost of $0.009559 and a typical cost of $0.010037. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2027.